Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have my, let me try to pick it up carefully here. Come on. Cooperate. It's my January Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. Alright, so if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, this is now a $32 a month subscription with a $1.99 handling fee, where you get 5 full-size beauty items based on your profile, hopefully. And you get to make 3 choices on the 1st through the 3rd of the month. And your box should be valued up to $200. As far as I'm aware, when they upped the price of the box, they did not up the value, but I could be wrong. No, worth up to $200. So they upped the price but didn't up the value. Just promised us better products. So you do always get a pamphlet. It used to be a big like paper, but now it's just like a laminated card. So the theme for January is a clean slate. Welcome to the year 2025, when living in the future calls for a return to the basics, only better than ever. So that is what that looks like, with a beautiful person on the cover. On the back, you now have a QR code that you can scan to learn about your products. It'll take you to the app. So that's fantastic. And then it says on here, 2025 is your year horoscope forecast. You can visit Ipsy to read your horoscope. We might do that just to see what mine says, because I love that. And then it has some coming soon products. The Origin Ginseng eye cream, the Tarte Amazonian clay blush, and the Rare Beauty eyeshadow stick. So I don't know if those are gonna maybe be in February's box, or just products that are coming to the shop, or what. But that is everything on the pamphlet. So we're gonna start with the 2 power picks, which is what Ipsy chose for me. And the first one, the biggest guy, this is from Lauren's Skincare. And this is their brightening skin pads. This retails for $38. And these are, it came with the little, it's got the thingamabob to pull the pads out. That's exciting. These are unscented exfoliating pads to help restore your skin's natural glow with salicylic acid, lactic acid, witch hazel, lemon balm, and plant extracts for radiant, refined, and smooth skin. So these are sealed. They do have a 12-month shelf life. I'm going to be done with my toner like soon. So, you can smell the, so first of all, there's serum on this little, like, stopper and bubbles. But you can smell the witch hazel. And witch hazel and lemon. So I get lemon. I get, like, peppermint. But they're, like, I don't know if you're going to be, there you go. You can kind of see it. They're textured pads. How many do you get? Use 3 to 4 times a week. So it doesn't say anywhere. Does it say on the box? Dun, 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 dun. Those are ingredients. Cruelty free. 50. You get 50 of them in here. So I would probably use 2. So that's 25. So about just under a month's worth of iPads. Which honestly is not fantastic. So, now can this guy, the little Scooby guy fits. That makes me really happy, because I'll keep that little tong thing when this is gone. So I'm you have no idea how excited I am to have just like the little scoop. Oh, that was the garbage. I was like, what is rolling around? Okay, $38 skin pads. Normally I don't care about skincare, but I'm actually really happy about that. Next, the other power pick is from Pear Nova. And this is their contour and bronzer shade stick in the shade Light. When I first saw this, I thought it was like a contour bronzer stick. Like that's just what they called it in the shade Light. But no, it's actually a duo. So this retails for $28. That's what Ipsy says. But on Pear Nova's website, this is listed for $27.50. So that is the amount that I took this into account for when I totaled up my box. But this says sculpted definition and an effortless sun-kissed glow. A long-wear buildable formula, it's perfect for adding soft warmth or creating bold contours that last all day. So, looks like we have, I would assume this is the bronzer side. Ooh, that is very creamy. Because the bronzer side should be bigger. They both just say light. And I love that this one's more sculpted and small. I think that that's really nice. Honestly. Those are pretty. I'm honestly really excited to give these a try. I've never tried anything from Pear Nova. Normally, again, I get my power picks from Ipsy and I'm just like, they're okay, fine, whatever. But those are actually pretty nice. I'm pretty happy. So next we're going to get into my 3 choice items. So we'll save the most exciting for last. The choice that I made, we have the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash. So this is in the shade Black and it retails for $29. It's inspired by hair rollers. This mascara curls, lifts, and gives you that wide-eyed look that you love. A unique hook and roll that's trademarked brush that gives even the shortest lashes a pro-vitamin B5 to conditioning. It's all about sky-high volume and lush lashes. Now, I've tried many of the roller lash. I would open it for you, but I literally, last month, got the Well People mascara, which I'm still using, and I love it. And I just got from Influencer the Benefit Bounce mascara, the brand new one. If I had known I was getting that from Influencer, because I didn't at the time, I don't think I would have picked this, because now I have I have another backup mascara. So I'm not going to open this. So if you don't know what it looks like, that is the wand. And yeah, I really like Roller Lash, which is why I picked it. So, and at the time, I was like, ooh, a backup mascara. And now I have a backup mascara. So, it's fine. Next, we have from Ofra. This is their Blossom Blush Midi Palette. This retails for $35. It is plastic packaging. This says Sculpt and Shine with this dynamic trio of pink satin and pink paradise blushes with a Pillow Talk highlighter. These work flawlessly together as your ultimate cheek kit. Layer them and blend them for an ombre effect or rock them solo for a soft hint of color. I think these are stunning. Bum ba dum bum 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 bum. And I don't have Pillow Talk in my collection, and I've always wanted Pillow Talk. And Ofra blushes are just so nice. So we have, oh, that is the name of them. So we have Pink Satin and Pink Paradise. They're kind of hard pressed for their blushes, to be wholesale honest with you. So I'm going to really try to get in there. Pink Paradise, not as much. Like that one I'm getting a nice swatch on, but Pink Satin. Really think I just had to break that layer. But I like these. I think they're pretty. And I really wanted this because, well, one, I think it's pretty. I think it's gorgeous. Pillow Talk. Ah. Oh, da, da, da. Dawn. Oh, yes, please. Oh, that is stunning. And I don't care that this is plastic packaging, because, like, these are removable, and I honestly like that, because then I could put other things in this for travel if I wanted. So, I am not mad. $35. Yay. Yes, please. And last but not least, for items that are in my, because I have an add-on and a points product in here as well. But my choice product, I picked the Wander Beauty palette. So this is the In Neutral eyeshadow palette that retails for $42. So this palette specifically is not listed on their website, but palettes in the same shape, size, format are listed for $42. That could either mean that this is very, very new or very old. Now, these format of these palettes are new. So I would assume that this palette just hasn't made it to their website yet. Or is a Boxycharm exclusive, but it does not say that. So, just super lame, normal packaging, which I don't mind. Transition seamlessly from day to night with this versatile neutral palette. It offers neutral mattes and shimmers with rich pigmentation and long-lasting wear, ensuring your eye makeup stays flawless wherever you wander. Which I love that. So let me get these off my hand here. And we will go ahead. Let me grab out one more makeup wipe. Giddy. And let's swatch these. So, we have Blossom, Petal, Dawn, and Suede. These shimmers are just... oh my gosh. This could be the neutral palette I have been looking for. First of all, you can't really judge pinky swatches. But also, my hand is still a little wet because I, just wiped off swatches. But I can't swatch for poop with my left hand. I just can't. I have tried. So I'm so sorry. I apologize. So next, we have Latte, Slip, Fawn, and Cashmere. Ooh. Latte, Sip. Latte, Slip, Fawn. Slip is... there ain't no way. Okay, you can see it. I was like, there's no way that's the same tone as my skin tone. But no, you can see it. It's just the angle I was looking at because of my lights. I couldn't see it. I was very concerned. And then the last two shades, we have one more shimmer and one matte. We have Haze and Smoke, which is the shade I'm so excited for. Oh, Smoke is so pretty. This palette is stunning. Stunningly gorgeous. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Generally, I won't pass up a palette anytime I see it as a choice item. But these Wander Beauty palettes are just to die for anyway. I'm going to be very upset when I can no longer get them because I'll be not getting Ipsy or Boxycharm anymore. So, but the total price of like my box value is $171.50, which out of all my boxes, like that's a pretty good box. I am pretty happy with that. Next month, I thought January was my last box because I'm going to be doing a whole rant and things when it's my last one. But I actually will be getting February's boxes, and that will be the end of my subscription. That's the end of my year that I signed up for, and I will not be re-upping it. So we'll talk about why I won't be resubscribing next month. But, like I said, I got an add-on and I got a points purchase because I wanted to spend my points while I have them. My add-on was another love+craft+beauty because I have to get as much of their products as I can before I'm no longer a subscriber. So this is one of their lip liners in the shade Alien Kiss. I paid $3.50 for this, but it retails for $17 according to Ipsy. On their website, it retails for $18. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a beautiful dark blue. It says, define your pout while also making your lips look plump. Easy to use retractable angle pencil for precision. So it is one of those triangle tips. And a blending brush built right in. I still haven't really used the blending brush for anything, but you know, it's there. It's a mahogany brown shade with a rich deep hue for bold, dramatic looks. Ooh. Oh, I like that. It's like a maroon almost. I currently have my other one. I don't like. Okay. My other shade, which is Galactic Glamour. I have it on today, but it's like a more mauvey nude. And I really like these liners. I didn't think I'd like the bigger like triangle tip, but like these are nice, which is why when I saw this for $3.50, I said absolutely. So I saved $14.50 on the lip liner. And last but certainly not least for this unboxing, I know it's been long, thank you for being here. We have my points purchase, which they had absolutely nothing in the points section. They never do. But I grabbed the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. I have tried, I don't think it was this product. I tried their Face Gommage. I had that once from Skin & Co. Roma, their truffle line. This is a 30 ml or 1 ounce size. It is whipped with truffle extract, so obviously this was free for me. But full size, $30 for 150 ml. So 30 ml, this guy would retail for $6. So already I saved $6. So cool. But this is a gel cream cleanser infused with black winter truffle extract, sweet almond oil, mallow leaf, and soothing chamomile to melt makeup, dirt, and impurities. Infused also with fatty acids to strengthen your moisture barrier and to ensure a plump, luminous complexion day after day. I will say there was no outer packaging and there's no safety seal, and I hate that. But it does smell really good. So I was going to use my full-size cleanser next, but I might just use this guy to get this out first since it'll be out quicker and it doesn't have a safety seal. So, and things, Boxycharm, you know, they like to go bad quick. So, but that was my points purchase. And that is everything from the January Boxycharm. Were we box twins? What did you choose? I would love to know how you feel about this one's box. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.